everybody. Um, Thank you very much for the time that you given to me. Now I would like to share something about DIW. Do it yourself. So today I have watched the video from YouTube, and it's about how to make the chicken from the empty bottle water. And now I have my different things. I would like to make a table that's roll table, and we can use that for uh, lamp table or tissue table. So let's start it. The first one, I would like to show you the materials that I use for that. So the first one, now I'm using 6 bottle empty bottle water, because I just want to make small roll handle. And the second is, this is, I make it from cover book. Why I make it like into like this? Because I wanna make it accordance with this bottle, so it look make sense. And then cell phone tag, and also we can use the pin. This one or stapler. Okay, let's start it. First one, we have to gluing it with our cell phone tag. We have to size how many centimeter that we can take. Wow, that's perfectly. Yep. Okay, that's enough, guys. Okay, so we have to try it. Is that already hard? Is it already good now? Yeah, that's very good. After that, we are going to make it, put this one up of the bottle here, and then I using this one for tablecloth. So we just put like this, and then we make it very good, so this looking very nice. And then we try to make it very good. And then we paint it with this paint, or we can use the stapler here if you wanted that. Okay, and then also this one. This one here, we have to make like this, and then paint it with the paint, and also, or you can staple it. Oh, sorry. Wow, that's nice. Oh wait. Okay, that's ready. It's nice. So I'm done. So this is still looking not very good, so we have to make it very well, yeah? And we have to know about it. What is that about? Okay. Well guys, that's all about how to make the roll table, and we can using that for put the tissue or the lamp table. So now I'm using for that to put this one. So that's it. So roll table is ready. Thank you. So that's all about my DIE do it yourself. My name is Billy Brodus Agun, and I'm from class 4E English program. Thank you.